What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. Just summed this little job up, and I use my Clover to go. This thing is awesome, man. They got different kinds programs out there, so as many different ones you can get. But this one actually hooks up to your bank account, so you can do it. A few days, it'll release the money to your bank account, and then I think it's a small fee. It's not even that bad, but it's most definitely worth it. You know what I'm saying? It's worth it, most definitely. So to have this as an asset for your business, and it keeps track with your transactions. I'm just summing up my day, so I'm about to get ready to leave. I'm out here at the washouts. They got a lot of stuff going on. The cool thing about this job, though, you're just out here in the middle of nowhere. You ain't gotta worry about no too much, no BS. You know what I mean? You just got an assignment, and you knock out the assignment, and you get on down. You call it a day. You know what I mean? But it's out here in the middle of nowhere, out here in the minefields. They was digging it, and now they just use it for lay down. There's a couple companies actually. Like I think it's a couple concrete companies off up in here. They got a couple different little companies where they doing different gravel work and stuff like that out here. So it's pretty neat. But I do like the fact that it's out here in the middle of nowhere. And want to say something too, man, about my new skid design. I like it, man. I ain't gonna lie. I like the new one. I like the basic model too. Don't get me wrong. But I like this one too with the way it sits. I like it. And someone asked me about my bottles. Why do I have my bottles like this? And actually, they're not in the way. And I got them at a tilt angle so I can tilt them up and they'll be taller. When I slide them down, they're like two foot lower. You know what I mean? But I do it like that so I can come here and I can jump on the job site, and I don't have to take two bottles out. I can literally just hook up my my gauges on the bottles, and I can get to going. You know what I mean? I don't have to wait and pick the bottle up, do this. Like I'm with get it done. You know what I mean? I don't like to waste a lot of time wrapping up, but I don't like to waste a lot of time getting started. So that's why I do that, because they already up. I just put my little deals on there and I go. You know what I mean? I got my hoses in, so I got them on now. So I just got my extra 50 foot, but I already had 50 foot. I just got a new 50 foot. So now I got my old one, which I'm gonna probably use it in my little shop location, and I keep these on here for the new ones. But hey, it's ready to go, man. I can't complain. It's getting the bag, and I most definitely can say it was all, you know, on what I love to say. Proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. Black Phoenix. Hold on.